Let's take a quick overview of the project dashboard. So when you click on projects, you will see a list of all the projects that you've been assigned to and or you have created. And again, just like in the estimates dashboard, you have different views that you can switch between and save and edit those views. So in this particular instance, I have all of these projects that are in progress that are indicated by the in progress icon. And you'll see the organization column, the title, the project lead, the updated date. You can sort any of these columns by clicking on them. You'll see the current stage, and you'll see the time progress. There's also an expense progress bar. And what this actually shows you is a progress or a percentage of overall budget versus time that's been entered. So if you track time and expenses and do time entry, you'll be able to see the progress or the budget utilization of each of these projects if there is a budget that's set. The ones that don't have a progress bar are basically hourly billed or accrual type of projects, so you can see the hours and or quantities that have been billed to date on this thing. So this project, for instance, is 63% of the utilization budget for actual versus estimated. Out here you have your alerts. So this is anytime there's a new activity, comment, post, attachment, anything created on that particular project, you'll get a little slide bar out here, and you can see the history of all of the latest things that have happened to it, and what's in yellow is the latest one. So if you were to click on that, you will be able to, it'll take you right to that particular post. It highlights it in green, as you can see up here, and it takes you right to it. And then it clears it over here. Or if you wanted to not even click into it, you just kind of read and say, hey, I'm updated, I can clear all of these, and now my notifications are clear. Or I can go up here and simply go up to my main notifications icon up here at the very top and see all of these across the multiple projects here as well, and clear all of those, which will then clear all my alerts down here. Now, as I mentioned, I can go into my views here and edit this thing, and you'll be able to see the different columns that I can check and uncheck on all of my different views. If I have this one view is for this one particular client, you can see that most of these projects have been completed. Some of these are active currently, and that's how you can switch between different views very easily as well.